Hello, it's welcome back to your bro's Minecraft channel. Yay, something from the Minecraft. Lol. Well, it's built up a treasure, and today we'll be creating an AFK grinder. Not like those other videos which is super hard. A normal AFK grinder, mega easy. All you need is 4 portals. Yeah, just 4 portals. I got 6, cause you know, like everybody has like 2 for some reason. And then in the gemstone cave, you have to with the cannons, you have to shoot down all of the crystals, and you have to shoot down 4, and then you enter this cave, and then you do the mission of portals. And yeah, you have to go through portals, get the gem, and bring the gem back. Yeah. Back to normal. So first you gotta place an wheel. Not a front wheel, not a back wheel, just a normal wheel. Which normally would cost 750. Yeah, okay, so let's just place that there. Bam, just like that. Wowee. You're already doing so great. Next, you have to unanchor the block, and then place it. If you do not have the scaling tool, just continue placing it without the anchor block. But I'll do it with the scaling tool. Well, I kind of forgot how to do it, but I'll just copy my normal one. Sorry. Oh, there. So you have to, it's kind of like this, easy peasy. I did wowee fast. So all you have to do it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, and 47, and a half. It's 47 and a half. Yeah, boy. So if you also have to get the screwdriver for it to work. Turn on collision. And you also have to, turn off collision. And then you have to add 2 portals to the end. Just like that. Bam, bam. Okay. Now that we've done the basics. Now you've got to use a jetpack. Use a jetpack. And then get these 2 candies, if you have them. And if you don't, well, it's gonna be kind of hard. But it still works if you don't have the candies, but it's easier. The candies, okay. So first you have to eat that. And then you have to place the portal on your head. You'll get teleported. And then you go, go, go. Wow, you're going so fast. Well, we just have to go, go. Yeah. Well, you're just gonna have to see me walk. Zoo. Nice. Okay, with the power of editing, I will cut this part of the video. Psych, I won't, cause yeah, I'm mean. So while you're walking here, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below for obvious reasons. This is my first YouTube video, actually. Yeah, so be the first to comment or the first to like and win a prize of nothing. Of air. You get oxygen. Yeah. Well, yeah, but yeah, it's like my first video. It's like probably gonna be like one of the worst. But even though, you still learn how to make this. Wowee. Yeah. So all you have to do is continue running until you reach a certain point, which may gonna reach in any second now. Okay. So after you reach it, you have to kind of like just jump into the sea and get the screwdriver. And then you have to unanchor it so it's stuck in the sky. And then you just reset. Wait, before you reset, I forgot, you have to turn off collision. So also turn off collision to make it easier. So that means you don't get stuck on top of it. Wait, what? Someone joined a private server? Probably one of my friends. Okay. So now after you've done the first one, this one's really easy. This part's really easy. All you need to do is do this, and then bam. Then you gotta do the same as before. Place. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, you have to unanchor it, and bam. That didn't go well. So let's just go back for that portal. And bam, destroy it. I gotta. There. You get teleported through the portal. Now you can place your second portal. This time you can color whatever you want, but I chose red. And there, place it kind of the same place. And then, unanchor. Turn off collision. Reset. Yeah. So, yeah. Nice.